Alright, question 2 from review set 12b. Let's have a look. On the same set of axes, sketch y equals cosine x and cosine x minus 3. This should be pretty easy. It's not too bad. What we've really got to do is get our hang of what cosine x actually looks like. And if I can find where my cursor is, there it is. We should remember the basic structure of what a cosine curve and a sine curve looks like. Remember, cosine comes from the x, so starting out at the right-hand side, you're going to have cosine of 0 is 1. So it starts at the top. Goes, oh, that's weird. That's better. Goes all the way down to -1 and all the way back up to 1 again. And if I wanted to, I could continue that pattern in the negative direction and we get the same looking thing, wouldn't we? That's what my cosine curve looks like. We've got to go back and actually label these points. Well, halfway is going to be pi. A full period is 2 pi. And we've got the idea. This is 3 pi on 2. Negative pi on 2. That must be messy. I didn't label pi on 2 after all that. Negative pi, negative 3 pi on 2. Terrible labeling. You do a better job. Negative 2 pi. But you got the right idea there. That's what it looks like. What does minus 3 do? Every y coordinate has had 3 subtracted from it. The whole thing's going to move down by 3, isn't it? So what I need to do here is extend this axis down a little bit. So the whole thing's moving down by 3. There's -1, -2, -3, -4. Close enough. Now I usually find it easiest to either draw in a line or just with a little pencil, dot in a few points there. So you've got an axis to work from. Once you've got an axis to work from, it's pretty easy. Put in the key points. It's going to start at the top. 3 below 1 is -2. It's going to finish at -4, so it's going to be at -4 underneath pi. So I'll line it up with pi. And then we're going to get back up to 2. By the time we get to the 2 pi, halfway through, we're going to be on this central axis, the principal axis. So marking a few of those points. Stop doing that. Oh, I think I'm leaning on my tablet as I write, and that's causing the problems. You can persevere with that, though. Let's have a look what it would look like. So it goes down. Oh, that's not nearly as pretty as the last one, is it? Let's try that again. I think I've made my points a little bit closer together, too, which is a bit slack of me. But you got the idea. It's a sketch. It's not intended to be perfect. Thankfully, because that was far from it, but sometimes it's faster. Better if you just go faster. Interesting. Labeling the points. You're done. Actually, we've got them all there on the axis already. So that's it. So all you've got to remember is the transformation, and the cosine has that shape where it starts at the maximum and finishes at the maximum. And you're done. See you in the next one.